Improvements have been made to reduce the wait time and lengthy lines in the disbursement of compassionate grants in Kingston. People who selected GKMS Western Union to receive their compassionate grants under the government's care program are to begin receiving their disbursements at Mass Camp in Independence Park and at the National Arena in Kingston. Marlon Samuels has more in this report.
The large crowd, long lines, lengthy delays and lack of adherence to social distancing rules when many Jamaicans tried to collect their care benefits sparked major concerns. The government quickly stepped in to provide a safe, comfortable location for them to receive their money.
We see all the pictures of the crowds. I never like it because in the COVID time, crowds mean that you have a whole set of people who could be infected. So we put in place these new measures. Hopefully, it will take off some of the burden of the other remittance offices.
Mass Camp was selected after GKMS Western Union outlets were unable to process the large number of beneficiaries while practicing social distancing.
I convened a meeting between officials from the Ministry of Health who were sent by Dr. Tufton, Minister Tufton, along with the Independence Park staff and the Grace Kennedy team, as well as Colonel Rickman from the Hope Program, who is providing manpower to assist in screening, pre-screening the applicants who are here, and also to help in the management of the crowd. What I'm happy about is that Grace Kennedy is also making available a team that will open bank accounts for these persons. And it is important that Jamaicans recognize they need to have a bank account, they need to be in the system, they need to have their TRN, they need to have proper identification. They must enumerate so that they can have their national ID and be in the system so that they can benefit.
Tents have been erected at the car park to provide shelter for the care beneficiaries. So too hydration, sanitization and medical stations.
The care program is what the acronym says. The government cares about people. And the funds that are being made available to these people is to assist them in this time, this challenging period of COVID-19. And it's extremely important that in receiving these contributions, they also receive it in an environment with dignity.
Measures have also been put in place for the more vulnerable among us. Those who are pregnant and at risk of severe illness from the coronavirus COVID-19 can collect their care allowance at the National Arena in Kingston.
The National Arena will be used to facilitate the elderly, pregnant women, and the persons with disabilities. So they'll be indoor and they will be seated, observing social distance, as well as when they queue up to receive their funds, social distance, we will be marking the area so that social distance is observed. Proper sanitizing will be in place, water stations, hydration stations.
So please wear your mask. Do not remove the chairs, all right? Good morning. God bless you, no. Me love you, no. Behave yourself.
For the news on PBCJ, I am Marlon Samuels.